So I called in Jeep Talk Show last week, a couple of weeks ago, and talked about air compressors. And I told them that I've got one out of a newer Kia that does really well. Like, use it in my Jeep because I don't own a Kia. Although we used to have a Sportage, but it didn't have a pump. I don't know why they don't put a spare tire in there, but they give you an air pump. Like, you know, anytime I've needed to change a tire, it was blown out, which I guess roadside service is the new thing now. Anyhow, I managed to get air compressor out of Kia. Said it's really good. Josh asked a bunch of questions about specs or anything. I have no idea because I don't speak Japanese or Korean or Mandarin or whatever they speak over there. But let's try it out and see what it does. But I'm going to see if it'll pop the bead on a tire, because you know that's the true test of a air compressor. So fortunately, this tire down here I'm going to use, but I cut the valve stem off of it in a previous video on my tire deflators review. And it's got a hose that comes out. I bought this at a truck stop for like 10 bucks. You can probably get them cheaper on Amazon, so I can clip it to my battery. So you take this out. If you follow the instructions, this thing clips onto here. This thing clips to here. I don't know too much about max pressure. I just see 30 to 40 all the time on this thing. Who knows? But you're not supposed to drive this thing over 50 miles an hour, which I don't know why you would drive with this on your tire. Anyhow, so let's take it out and see what it does to the tire. Here's a note to self: when filming an outro, make sure you press the record button. I didn't do that. My take on the Kia pump: it set the bead on the tire a little over 2 minutes. Then it took 6 minutes to get that tire up to 30 pounds. It was a 31 by 10.5 tire. So not too big, but not too small. But I use it. It's good in a pinch when I need air. But it's made out of cheap plastic, it feels like, so the longevity of it, I don't know. But maybe a good spare air pump to have. I think the price on it, though.